Angaan Ching is considered a sacred place having both cultural and religious importance in the history of Manipur. On Chairauba, New Year of the Meiteis, people come from different places to offer prayer. The Alliance for Development Alternatives Manipur (ADAM) took the initiative to develop Angaan Ching Eco Park to promote tourism as well as conserve the medicinal plants. As part of their initiative, medicinal plants are grown abundantly in the area.
Maruina senior koi uji kisanga pasida koi akoi nishita torsi more than nearly 200 plant species which are both medicinal and koi cultural important we pami meam thare maduga masigi masi thaba sida the one is education ki purpose ama akoi gi lariba hanagi koi gi mahus hadagi lejarapa koi tradition leba kano mayam singa ku yam lere then madugi mathakta that should be one of the koi gi eco tourism gi sport ama se Mayam the Guzitiano Bangasagi, tourism Danoba, eco tourism Yawalam Lak, Win Lowy Masigi, Pochigi, Akuntoribsam Sana Bahabitare.
Speaking to Impact News, Surjit Khetrimayum Secretary Adam said the Eco Park is developed to promote ecotourism as well as conserve the different medicinal plants found in the state. He also said that helps from government would be appreciated.
They're most welcome. The government is because the government they are supposed to do that.
With camera person Bowie, this is Laitangam Monica reporting from Angaan Ching Eco Park, Impact News.